Okay, so today we will be going to solve this problem number 3. So it is a built-up column made of two uh, plates for the flanges, 25 by 200, and for the web 375 by 6.25. Yung column 4.6 yung height, pin connected both ends, and the assumption is both bending or direction. 1.0 yung effective length factor. Okay. So sabi sa problem, we need to consider the local backlink. So let us solve this. The first step is to check the local backlink. And to do that, we need to check kung meron bang slender to the elements. So dito, meron tayong dalawang type of element. Itong flange, which is an Stephen element, and then itong web part is a Stephen element, because yung upper part tsaka lower part ng flange, ng web, nakatouch sa flange. So check natin kung slender ba itong dalawa or not. So first, for the flange slenderness, the ratio is half of the width of the flange over the thickness. So that is 100 over the thickness, which is 25. The ratio is 4. Then we will compare this to the limit from the code. Ito, slender stiffened elements QS for flanges, angles, plates projecting from rolled columns. Yung column natin is a built-up, so hindi ito yung appropriate provision. Dito tayo sa item B, for flanges, angles, plates projecting built-up I-shaped columns. So dito tayo, we need to get these values, 0.64 square root of EKC or Fy, then meron pang isang limit, 1.17. The value of the value of Kc is 4 over square root of H over TW, and according to code, this should not be taken 0.35 to 0.76. So kunin muna natin tong Kc, 4 over square root of TW, tsaka then substitute natin siya dito. So the value of H will be the 375 here, TW is 6.25. Ito, so 4 over square root of 375 divided by 6.25, 0.52. Then substitute dito sa my 0.64, we will get 1.11. This limit is greater than to the BF over 2 over TF. Thus, the flange is not slender. Our value for QS is 1.0. The next is to check the slenderness nito web naman. Ito, part na to. And actual ratio is H over TW. This is equal to 60. Then punta tayo sa provision ng code. Stiffened elements. For uniformly compressed slender elements with B over T greater than or equal 1.49. So ito yung provision natin. By the way, this F is not F. Ano bang definition ng F dito? F is taken as FCR with FCR calculated based on Q is equal to 1.0. Actually, this is Fy. Kung titignan natin dito sa may reference problem dito, mismo actual problem natin, ito 1.49 A over Fy. Okay, so check natin. Ito 1.49, yung limit is 36, so this is less than to the actual ratio, which is 60. Therefore, the web is slender. Kailangan natin compute si QA. Ito yung kailangan natin compute ang value nito. So QA is equal to area effective over AG. The area effective is the summation of the effective area of the cross section based on reduced effective width. So to get the effective width, we need to use this formula, compute. And as you can see, ito gagamitin na natin si F. Itong F na to, kailangan daw na natin makompute yung FCR based on Q. So, ibig sabihin, i-assume muna natin na yung section is not no local backlink. Kaya, Q is 1.0. And then, yun. So, to solve that, let F equal to FCR. Assume no slender elements. Though, slender itong stiffened elements natin, kailangan muna natin mag-assume na walang slender kasi nga kailangan natin ng value dito. So, compute the critical slenderness ratio for 4.6 meter yung length, height ng column. 52.83 yung radius of gyration ng Y. Tapos, yung 87. And then, ito. The limit will be 113.4. This is greater than to the critical slenderness ratio. So therefore, ito yung formula ng FCR. Then, to get this FCR, FE muna. Ito. Substitute, we will get 198.14. Ito yung assume value ni F, 198. So, sa-substitute yan natin siya dito. Ayan. Pagka-substitute natin, makakuha tayo ng HE, effective height of the web equal to 312.61. And this must be less than to the gross height, original height ng build-up section. Ito yung build-up natin na section. This is the original height H, and we need to get the effective area HE. So, na-reduce from 375 naging 312. Now, the effective area of the section is only this shaded part. Yan. Meron tayong di-disregard na part dito ng web. So, we'll get 11 1,953. Tapos ito naman gross, yun yung original or gross section. The value of QA, which is ito, is equal to effective over gross. We will get a value of QA equal to 0.97. So our reduction factor is 0.98. Now kukunin na natin yung true FCR ng section kasi na-consider na natin ngayon yung local backlink na reduce siya ng 0.97. So from previous calculation, the critical slenderness is 87. Pero dun sa limit, kailangan natin i-consider yung Q. Kanina, in-assume lang na 1.0. Ito. So, yun, 115.26. Kanina, this is 113. Ngayon, 115. Konting yung difference. And the critical slenderness ratio is way lower to the limit. So, wala siya masyadong effect. Nasa intermediate column pa rin siya. And then, so this is the formula for FCR. The true value of FCR will be 195. Kanina yung Q na 1.0, nakakuha tayo ng 198. So from 195, ito na. Ito kanina nasa 198. Konti lang yung difference. No? So ito yung part na considered yung local backlink. Dito naman, no local backlink. As you can see, na-reduce yung capacity, stress capacity kapag may local backlink dun sa mga elements. Okay. And then, yun, makuha na natin si PN. FCR times gross area. Take note that yung gagamitin natin dito is not dito sa area, is the gross, not the AE. Hindi yung AE. Kasi ginamit lang natin yung AE kanina para lang ma-consider yung local backlink. So, therefore, ito na yung nominal actual load capacity ng column. Therefore, the design strength will be 2 approximately 2. Okay.